Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you can get one of these at a low cost. Coming from Wasserstein home, I do believe. Link will be down below. You guys can check them out. See what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, all you gotta do is click the link and place your order, and they'll ship it to you fast. So hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. Now the Super Bowl's over with, and then we are on to now this thing right here. Oh, this could be helpful for a lot of people. A lot of you guys out there, especially now with everyone's buying these. This will come in handy. Yes, Wasserstein solar charging bracket for Ring video doorbell 2nd generation. Cause I gotta charge my Ring now actually, so this is gonna definitely come in handy. Simple to install. Extend the battery life of Ring video doorbell 2nd gen. That's what I have. Powered by solar energy, weather resistant. You get the screws, get the bracket, and now let's take a look. Nice packaging right there. Now let's see what it is. So I'm gonna have to bring the Ring inside because it is freezing outside right now by us. It is so cold outside. Okay, so this is where you plug it in. That's where you plug the Ring. As you bring it in, that's what it looks like. Nice. Lines up here. Put it in there. The cradle. Here's the back. We got the screws right here. So it should be just easy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. We got the solars inside. And then on the top, right there. So it's like 360 almost, like fully secured. Let me grab the Ring in. I'll be right back. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the Ring. It's so cold. It is frozen. So all I gotta do is plug it in the back. Somehow. Let me just grab it. Oh boy. There we go. Got it locked in. Gotta push it down somehow. Kind of like that. Give me 1 sec. Alright guys, here it is. We're actually in the garage right now, so. And then, look at that. Charging. I just gotta hook it up a little bit more. Put the screws in. Final touches will look like this once it's done. Really nice, guys. So, and like I said, hooked up like that perfectly, and it's popping in. Screw it in, and you'll be good to go. So it's really easy to use. Got the camera and got a solar charge. So definitely check them out. Like I said, I'll leave the links down below, and you guys can get one now. Boom, look at that. That's what it's going to look like. There you go. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. See you.